And Godlina so bet you need to say. On the inspirational menu for today is hausa cocoa flour mix using kondo or mole. Welcome yummy if today is the first time on this channel. So yummy, this is the kondo I'll be using, and it is 1 kilo, and I bought it from the Asia shop. And if you're in Ghana, definitely you know where to get your kondo or mole, or better still, you can do yours at home. That is by soaking corn or maize in water for 3 days, and after 3 days you wash it and go to the mill, and then you mill it nicely, right? Now I have finished spreading them on these trays, and I am going to be washing the ginger, which will be off camera, and then I'll come back. So I have finished washing the gingers, and I'll cut them into smaller pieces to enable me blend faster. After cutting them, I'll put them in a blender and use the pulse button to pulse it for at least 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Now I am done blending it. I'll put it on the plate. Everything is set now. Time to dry them. Now if you're in Ghana, you can sun dry it, because the weather in Ghana is totally different from the weather in Europe. So I am going to be using this dehydrator to dry them. But if you're in Ghana or in Africa and you are not using dehydrator, you just spread it on a tray or on a flat surface, and then you sun dry it. And I think it will take like 3 to 4 days for everything to be well dried, you understand? But with the dehydrator, I just line a paper towel on top of it and then spread the kondo and the ginger on it. So I'm done spreading them. I'll cover it, and then I will on the dehydrator. So I'm going to set the timer to 7 hours and the temperature to 70 degrees. So it's been 5 hours now, and everything is well dry. I'm going to bring everything down, and then I will spread them on a tray or on a plate. You can see the ginger is well dried, and the kondo is also well dried. So the first thing to blend is the ginger. I'll put them in a blender and then blend it into a powdery form. So this is the ginger, and now we have our ginger powder. So easy to make and very, very organic. So I'm done with everything. That is the ginger powder and the kondo. So on this tray, I'll be putting on the spices that I'll be using, and for reference, I'll list everything down in the description. So I'm using some anise seeds, some cloves, some peppercorn, grains of selim, some alligator pepper, and then dried pepper. Now, if you are using fresh pepper, I would advise you dry it also together with the corn dough and the ginger. I'm going to combine everything, put it in a blender and blend. So this is the blended spices. I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of ginger powder and then once more blend it. I'm done blending it. I'll pour it into this bowl and add the corn dough to it. Now I'm gonna mix everything for it to be well uniform. Now at this point you can use it, like you can store it in a container and then start using it. But then to be more presentable, in a blender I'll add some to it, or I'm going to blend everything into a nice powdery form. You can see there are little lumps in it, right? We want it very smooth, as in smooth powder, you understand? Then I will sieve it. So with the 1 kilo, this is the remains that I had. Now this is the powder that we have. It's very smooth. And to make your cocoa, you need to boil some water, or you can even prepare it the same way you prepare your hausa cocoa. You understand? You can prepare it very thick or very light depending on how you want it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy and try your hands at home. Take care of yourself and always remember to do everything in love. Choose. And Godlina, so bet you need to say hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Godlina. Today I am making a review of hey, talking on camera, damn, it's not easy, man. Say it here, the baby, I'm doing mercy. Ha, my video be 1,000. Me who they are making brofana sa. I dear Cassacushua. No champagne and them. Hey, you are. The inspirational menu for today is hausa cocoa flour mix using corn dough or mole. Welcome, yummy, if today is the first time on this channel.